Alright, another lightning tip this time, creating and saving camera angles. This will help you sort of present and render your ZBrush file. So I'm going to go to movie, I'm just going to dog that by double clicking. I'm going to go down here to timeline and then show. This will show our timeline. This will bring up the timeline. You can scrub through the timeline, nothing's going to happen because we haven't done anything to it. First, what I'm going to do is hit the zoom button, right? I'm just going to click and drag up and down just so we get a proper view of what we're doing. I'm going to click on the timeline. Okay, I'm going to move the camera angle, click on the timeline again, move the camera angle, click on the timeline, and just keep doing that for a bunch of angles that I like. I can go previous and go next for just to move around the timeline. I can also use my arrow keys on my keyboard. I can of course load and save these timelines just like anything in ZBrush. Okay, and that's pretty much it. What we can also do is go to document and export this. So this will export the actual picture that you see right now. I'm going to press Shift R just to go a little bit extra. Then I'm going to go to render. I'm going to double click on that. Next I'm going to go to BPR render pass, and what I can do is get the mask from this so I can pre-process this or post-process this in Photoshop just like you see right here.